Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be starting a new playlist in my channel involving electric bicycles, and to start that I'm going to unbox this right here. It is a Bafang BBSHD. It's a 1000 watt mid-drive motor, and I bought it off a company in Canada called Bike Tricks. I think Big Tricks or Bike Tricks or something like that. And yeah, I bought it off them because, well, for one, they're in Canada, so I don't have to worry about duties or anything like that. And the price is very similar to buying it off AliExpress. And the other big reason is because they were able to sell me the battery too, and I know sometimes there's issues with shipping batteries across overseas, so I didn't want to deal with any of that. So, inside the box, we'll start on this side. So we get a ring gear. And then what we have here. This looks like a thumb throttle. And in this bag look like a little LED indicator and a mount for something, I don't know yet. Some screws, some cables probably to connect to the LCD screen, and another cap screw of some sort. And here we got a power cable. And this looks like one of the mounts for the mid-drive. And a couple screws. In this box, let's see what we have. Looks like I got some spacers to mount to the handlebar. A whole bunch of them. A little mode select switch. And the LCD screen itself. In the middle here we got one of the cranks. The other crank is made of aluminum. It says 8 Fun on it. And this looks like one of the brake levers. These brake levers will only work with cable brakes, and I won't be using it because my bike uses hydraulic disc brakes. And that's the other brake lever. Now the good part, this is the motor itself. Wow, it's a pretty hefty unit. Heavier than I thought, but pretty neat nonetheless. Can't wait to try this out. So, I don't know if you can read that. It says BBSHD 48 volts 1000 watts. That's pretty sweet. So that's the motor side. Now in this box is supposed to be the battery. Let's open that up. So it looks like I got some keys, a little bit mounting rubber washer things. And this is like a charger and the power plug. It's US power plug. Here's the charger. Looks like, let's see, what does it say? 48 volts, 2 amps. And then this, what is this? Where's my knife? Oh my gosh, where's my knife? Oh, this my knife? I think it's camouflage, I can't see it. This is like the mounting base for the battery pack itself. Just open that up. Now this will be my, not technically my first electric bike. I've had some really cheap electric bikes in the past that honestly I wish I didn't buy. So this is my first one where I'm putting a proper motor on it. Yeah, and then here's the base. And this, I assume, is the battery. And here's the battery. The little power button right here, stating the charge, and a little keyhole here, I guess, to lock and unlock it from the mounting base. Now I believe this is says on the box, 13.6 amp hour, 48 volts. So yeah, that's the size of the battery I got. Actually not as heavy as I thought it'd be. Sweet, so that's it for my unboxing of the BBSHD from Bike Tricks. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos on me installing this onto my mountain bike. See you in the next one, peace.